Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Explorer. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you do have factory fog lamps. You also have front parking sensors. Those are going to keep you very safe. You have a camera on the front as well, so you can really gauge your distance when you're parking. You have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. We're going to look at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top, you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust. Rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and your navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.